A farmer challenges an engineer, a physicist, and a mathematician to build him a fence that encloses the most area with the least amount of fencing. The engineer makes a circular fence, claiming that it is the most efficient. The physicist made a long straight line of fence and said the length was infinite, as fencing half the world was the most efficient way. The mathematician laughed at the others and then proceeded to build the winning fence. What exactly did he build? Try to think outside the fence. Before we explain the solution to this riddle, you may want to hit the pause button to think this through. While we have you here, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel for future riddles. If you thought small, the solution may have jumped out at you. The mathematician built a small circular fence around himself and simply declared himself on the outside. If you enjoyed this riddle and would like to see more in the future, please like and subscribe.